let's try climbing this. Yeah, let's go cycle from Downside Heights to Hartamas and back. Whoa! Itchy cyclist. This is what you do. This is Jalan Setia Kasih 9. There's a Pasir Basong here. This neck thing is pretty cool. I took it off because there was nobody around me, and also I'm a bit sweaty because I was fixing my stuff. So now it's time to put it back in the plastic bag and time to go. Put the GoPro on again and let's make a move. Okay, rear dash cam check and rear view lights check. Switch on the front lights and it's time to go. I dropped the Insta360 Go just a few minutes ago, so hopefully it's okay and the screen's not scratched. Yeah, whenever I go across the speed bump I try to hold the handlebars. So it's time to plug it into the front of the camera, front of the bike I mean. Front of the bike, cool. 180 degree view. Cool, right? Then switch off the light. Switch off the glare. And look! It's pretty cool. This thing is waterproof. It's time to have a bit of fun here. Alamak, dia buka tutup sendiri kot. Bateri pun dah low. Aduh. Battery low. Battery is low. I brought this. So this is the case. So you plug it in the case and it will charge itself. So okay lah, time to charge. Bye bye. Looks like it's gonna rain for a few hours, so it's time to head home to get nice and dry. Okay lah, 15 seconds, okay good. This is waterproof, so it's good to go in rain. Look, the rain's getting heavy again, so it's time to seek shelter again. The rain has slowed down, so I guess it's time to go. Tak jauh lagi, nak sampai rumah dah. Okay.